How to upload files to monday.com. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to upload any files to monday.com. So maybe you need Excel files or CSV files or doc and others. I'm going to show you in this video. So if you don't know yet, monday.com is a work management tool that lets you have a workspace so that you can manage all your details, data and others. So first you can open your monday.com and go to your dashboard, and you can go to your live set to choose the board. And first I'm gonna choose this workspace because this is the only one, and I'm gonna choose my board here, this board. I'm gonna add files to this board. I'm gonna add it on my column here, so I'm gonna click add column here, and then I'm gonna choose files here, and after that you can click here add item, add files, and as you can see you can choose from computer, webcam, doc, from link and other, even Google Drive. So you can upload your files from Google Drive, not only your computer. And also you can click page profile page here and then go to your import data. You can upload your Excel file, Google Sheet, even Google Sheet, or also you can upload your Trello board, so you don't, so it's not only, file like Excel or a doc. You can also import data or upload data from Trello. And there are Meta and others, you can try it. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.